What's up, you guys? We are here with the girl eyecstar, and today we're in the month of December. I know I said I was gonna finish to be continued of the Hawaii trip, and yes, I will go to that, but there's so many clips and videos that I gotta do all this together, so might as well do a little pop-up shortcut. So I am wearing this Sheen cute little cutout sweater. I bought this shirt from Walmart, I assume. Walmart? Was it Walmart? No, Charlotte Russe. There you go. And I bought these pants. They look good. They fit good. From TJ Maxx. And these, of course, boots. Bear claws. And it was a gift. So, anywho. Hi, I am Star, just in case if I didn't say it earlier, but I am Star, and I am here, and we're gonna do stuff. So, we are gonna decorate this place. So, I'm gonna go ahead, excuse the little mess. You know, I just did laundry and everything like that. But yeah, anyways, let's go. We're gonna go ahead, decorate the door. I have this cute little idea going on. I got these gift wrap here. It's cute. I'm gonna put it on the door. And I got that from TJ Maxx. And then I got this cute gold ribbon. I'm gonna put it, you know, like it was a wrap. And then I got this cute bow with it. Like old school classic type thing. So it's gonna be, you know, like it was ribbon on. And then I got this cute little thing right here. Put it around the door frame of the outside door and the inside door. And the lights, we got lights here. String lights. Somebody got it for me, so I'm trying to figure out all that together. So yeah, anywho, this is our door. And then I changed this. It was a leaf and then changed it to a snowman. How cute is that? And yeah, this Halloween thing is still there. Yes, I can drive a stick. That's a fact. So anyways, we're gonna go ahead, go outside, but I need to get some tape. I have tape. I know I have tape. So get some tape and then yeah, do it. Really do it and show you guys that I'm doing this. So alright, let's go set up outside. Alright, you guys. So I thought I was gonna go outside and do this, but then I'm like, I don't know, I'm not sure, because I want people trying to pass through me. So might as well just open the door and just do it from there. That's my idea. So then I found this nice Gorilla package tape. I'm sure it's good. So this is what we're gonna do. Let me turn you guys this way. I hope you can see. Yeah, I'm sure you can see. Alright. And I have you guys on a tripod. So, and I got a stepper here too ready. So, yeah. This was for Thanksgiving thing. And that is coming out. We're gonna go ahead, open this. We are, what day is this? I'm doing this on. I don't even know what day are we in, to be honest. My day's a blur. Got my stepper. So, this, open the door. The door is green. And now we're gonna cut here and here. So, let's see, I should get tape. I have tape right here. So, what I should do, cut a piece of tape. I need another tape. Okay, I'm trying to do this on real. Look at that. It looks so pretty so far. Give me a minute, because my battery's about to die. Hold on. Alright, now this battery's charged. Meanwhile, the other one's getting charged. Alright, let's keep finishing what we're doing here. You get a knife. So, that's what we do. We're gonna So here's the doorknob right here. So we're gonna like go the lock. We're gonna go like that, right? And then cut around it. What you think? And then here's the handle. Then I'm just gonna go across the handle like that. Alright. Let me. So much maintenance with you guys. Oh my god. I should go for that. Voila. Alright, so we got hardware. Pretty. So now I'm gonna make sure it closes right, and nice, looks nice how I want to. So now I gotta do the door. Oh, I almost tripped on the zipper. Don't mind that mess. I got a package, the roller thing. I know. Back roller thing, and so yeah, I got a back roller thing and whatever. So now some of the clothes, I need to find a peek hole. Beautiful. Gotta find a peek hole. Close view. See, little peephole. Okay. Now I gotta cut the number. Okay. There. Got peephole. Now I gotta find a number right here. With the bow, I'm thinking of doing like a hot glue gun. You know? It's like a stick for sure. So I got my glue gun, luckily, and this, of course, is the Gorilla Glue gun. Bolt glue. All I gotta do is plug it in and then wait for it till it gets hot. Alright, we're gonna do this later to make sure it's hot. So the glue gun's ready. So on the back of the ribbon, pour the glue. In. Open the door. Press it up here. Like that. Look how beautiful that is. That was a lot of work. It wasn't, and it was. So yeah. So now I'm gonna figure out how am I gonna do the outside. I'll show you. And that's the door. Something you're putting something up here, up around, just like that. So this is how it's looking. I put this. Put glue gun on it. Then I'm thinking putting lights on it already. It's gonna look cuter. More and more cuter. So, yep. And then I'm gonna have to do these lights. I'm gonna do it off camera, just like I did earlier, because it's just too much going on. But yep, let's go. So, I hope you liked this video. Be sure to hit the like, subscribe, don't forget to subscribe and follow and share. So, yeah, pretty much. Bye!